welcome to TWII Junior Pro. I'm Nati, and this is Kwasi and Pofo.
Hi, how's it?
So today I'm going to be asking Kwasi a few questions, things that I actually want to learn. How to say. Some of them are quite weird, but some of them are quite educational for me because I am a non-TWII speaker.
Yes.
Yes, so I'm very excited, as you can tell. So I think today for me, I want to ask 2 questions that I'll try and learn how to say, but please don't judge.
Okay.
So the first one that I want to ask is, when are we going on holiday?
When are we going on holiday? Okay. In TWII, when is Dabɛn.
Dabɛn.
Dabɛn means when.
Okay.
When are will be Dabɛn na.
Dabɛn na.
Yes, so Dabɛn na is when are.
Okay.
We is yang. So
Yang.
yang.
Okay.
So far it's Dabɛn na yang.
Dabɛn na yang.
Meaning when are we.
Okay.
Going is ko.
Cool. Cool.
Yeah. Holiday is akwanma.
Okay, you can say the full thing so I can try and learn.
All right. So Dabɛn Yɛbekɔ akwanma.
Oh, that sounds very, very complicated, but I'll try.
All right.
Okay. I even forgot the first one.
Dabɛn.
Dabɛn. Dabɛn na. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Is we.
Oh, okay. Yang. Okay. Dabɛn na yang.
Beko. Akwanma. Yes. When are we going on
holiday? Not too bad.
Yes. When are we going on holiday?
Okay. And then the second one I'd want to know is, what are we eating today?
What are we eating today? What is Dabɛn?
Dabɛn.
Yes.
Okay.
So Dabɛn is what? So what are we eating today will be Dabɛn na Yɛbedi ene. So Didi is eat. Ene is today.
Ooh, what did you say?
Dabɛn na.
Dabɛn na.
Yeah. Bedi ene. Yes.
Well, it sounds nice broken up. But all together it sounds like woo. But yeah, I'm quite glad that I actually learned, even though little by little I know Didi is somewhere in there. Not P Diddy, but Didi as in
eat.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I think that's great, eh? So
awesome.
Yeah, it's awesome. And yeah, I think next week I want to learn something else, unless if we have guests over or we have someone who wants to learn as well, then I'll just be watching.
All right, that's great.
It's just quite nice. I am learning little by little. Soon I'll be speaking fluent.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you next week.
See you.
Goodbye.
Hi guys, Joseph here. Thanks again for watching our channel. If you enjoyed it, please click on the subscribe button. And if you want notifications, please don't forget to click on the bell button. So whenever we have a new video out, you'll actually get a notification telling you about it. Thanks again. Hopefully you're back next week. Bye. See you.